every generation blames the one before, and all of their frustration come beating on your door.
I know that I'm a prisoner to all my father held so dear. I know that I'm a hostage to all his hopes and fears. I wish I could have told him in the living years.
Oh, crumpled bits of paper filled with imperfect thoughts,
stilted conversations. I'm afraid that's all we got.
You say I just don't see it. It says it's perfect sense.
Just can't get agreement in this present day.
We all talk a different language, talking in different. Say it loud. Say it loud. Say it clear.
Oh, say it clear.
You can listen as well as you hear. It's too late. It's too late. When we die, to admit we don't see eye to eye. So we open up a quarrel between the present and the past.
we sacrifice the future. It's the bitterness that lasts.
So don't yield to the fortunes you sometimes see as fate. It may have a new perspective on a different day.
And if you don't give up and don't give in, you might just be okay. Say it, say it, say it loud. Say it loud.
Say it clear.
Oh, say it clear.
You can listen as well as you hear. It's too late. It's too late. When we die, to admit we don't see eye to eye. I wasn't there that morning when my father passed away.
didn't get to tell him all the things I had to say. I think I caught his spirit later that same year.
Swear I had his echo in my baby's newborn tears.
I just wish I could have told him in the living